everyone, I'm Jackie from the Auburn Area Branch Library. Today I'm happy to tell everyone about a new adult craft program called Grab and Go. Let me explain what this is. A Grab and Go is an adult craft kit that you can pick up from any branch of the Bay County Library system, and you take it home and create it at your convenience. You grab it at the library and you go home and make it. That's why we call it a Grab and Go. And like all of our library programs, it's totally free. We will have a new Grab and Go every month. Once they're available, you can call your branch to reserve one for curbside pickup. We have a limited number and they do go quick, so if you want one, it's best to call as soon as they're available. The Grab and Go that I'm going to show you today will be available January 12th. So let's take a look at what we're making. Okay, so let's see what we have in this Grab and Go kit. So, well, I've got this. I've got an instruction sheet here with a picture. Shows me what we're going to make with detailed instructions. I have something here and it has all of the items that I should have in the kit. So I'll double check and make sure those are all there. Set this aside. Now it says I'm supposed to have a 9-inch glass vase, which I do. Paint and Mod Podge. Must be these two items down here in the bottom. Paint and Mod Podge, there. Foam brush, large flat dot stickers, let's see. Okay, I have some stickers. These must be the large ones. The small black dot stickers, orange dot stickers, a strip of flannel fabric, fairy lights, glove, and some yarn. Okay. Looks like I've got all the pieces. Items needed but not included: scissors. I have scissors, so I will get those out and I will be ready to go. Okay, so the first thing on the instructions says, apply 1 coat of paint to clean base and allow to dry 1 hour. Okay, so I will do that now with the little cup of included paint. Looks like my base is clean, so I can go right ahead. And now I'm going to wash out my paintbrush. Okay, so I painted my base and I've let it dry for an hour, and now it's time to apply the second coat. It's a good thing to note to cover your paint when you're not using it so it doesn't dry out on you quickly. And of course, wash your paintbrush so that does not get dry and hard. And I should have mentioned, I don't know if I did earlier or not, this is what we're making actually. This cute little snowman lantern. So I'm going to get started on my second coat of paint. Okay, so now I've got my second coat of paint on my base. Pay attention to letting that paint dry in between coats. I did try to put on a coat a little too early and it started pulling up the first layer of paint. So it is important to let that first coat of paint dry before you put the second coat on. I just got a little over anxious. Just wanted to get moving with it. But it didn't pay off. Okay, so the next thing on our instructions says to cut a long triangle out of the orange dot sticker. I'm going to lay my vase down here. I'm going to get out the pieces from my kit. Here is my, oh, I've got 2 orange dot stickers. Okay. Just in case I make a mistake, I guess I've got an extra one. Okay. Going to, I'll just pull it off, what I'll do. And I'm going to make a orange triangle. Okay. I made a little orange, tiny orange triangle sticker. I'm going to stick that back on the wrap. That's going to be my carrot nose for my snowman's face. And then it says, take my base over here. I'm going to put my base on a towel that keeps it from rolling around while I'm working on it. I'm going to find thought that looks decent to put his face on. And it says about 2 inches down from the top. Apply the snowman's eyes using the large black dots. Okay. I've got plenty of black dots here, so I guess I'll get going with that. About 2 inches down is going to put it about right there, I'm going to think. I'll put one here. And let's see, one about right there. Time to put the carrot nose on. I'm going to put it so the base is about right in the center of his face. About right there looks good. Okay. And then it says to apply 5 small black dots for the smile. Okay. I'm going to start down here at the middle of the smile, right smack dab below the base of the carrot. And I'll just add the other ones on around it. Okay, and there we go. There's the face. I think getting that smile was probably the trickiest part there. Then it says to leave about a 2-inch gap below the snowman's smile and apply the snowman's buttons vertically spaced. So I think I'll put 3 down here somewhere, and I'll try to get those lined up as best I can. Okay, and there we go. And then, after the stickers are applied, I need to apply a coat of Mod Podge over the entire face. This will seal the stickers to the base and prevent the paint from scratching off the glass base, and then we need to let that dry 1 hour. So, I will do that next. Okay, so I've got my Mod Podge on and it is dried. So I'm done with that. Now it's time to get my snowman dressed. So the next step on my instructions says we're going to use this little strip of flannel fabric for the scarf. And I'm going to cut some little fringes in the end of it to make it look more like a scarf. Put some on this side too. Get my fairy lights out here. Twist them a bit. Hang out the back. Put this on with a little hat. I'll take this yarn and I'm gonna tie all the fingers here together. There we go. And I think we'll turn the light on so you can see it. And then let's turn off the lights. And we'll show you how he glows in the dark. Now remember, even if you don't get the grab and go, you can still make this craft without the kit. All you have to do is buy the vase at the dollar store. You can get the craft paint, of course, anywhere. The glove came from the dollar store. The fairy lights were purchased on Amazon. And you can put it all together yourself. You don't need the dots. You can use regular craft paint for that as well. So you don't need to necessarily get the grab and go, but if you do, it sure makes it easy for you. I hope you give it a try, and we'll see you next time.